In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Zoho CRM. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho CRM or you're a seasoned user, knowing how to seamlessly import data can significantly enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho CRM. This is your central hub, so ensure you're logged into your account to start with a clean slate. Once you're in the Zoho CRM dashboard, you'll see a range of options and tabs at your disposal. For our purposes, locate and click on the Leads tab. This section is critical because we're focusing on importing data specifically into the Leads module, which is a common entry point for new data. With the Leads page open, direct your attention to the Settings area. Here, you'll want to look for the More Settings option. This button typically unfolds additional actions that can be performed, which are not immediately visible on the main page. It's always helpful to familiarize yourself with the full range of these features to take full advantage of what Zoho CRM offers. After selecting More Settings, you'll see an option labeled Import Leads. By clicking this, you're essentially telling Zoho CRM that you're ready to bring new data into your Leads database from an external source, such as an Excel file. This is a pivotal step, and you'll usually see a brief summary or prompt acknowledging that you're initiating the import process. Next up is the File selection. You'll see a Browse button. Click this to open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate through your files to find the specific Excel document you intend to upload. Select it and confirm your choice. After you've chosen the file, take a moment to let Zoho CRM do its thing and upload the file. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once your file has uploaded successfully, you'll hit the Next button. This action will propel you forward in the import process, where the system will guide you through mapping your Excel data to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. Pay careful attention to this part, ensuring that all your data matches up correctly for a seamless integration. You'll move through another Next step, which is crucial for finalizing the setup. Here, Zoho CRM allows you to review your selections, mapping, and any potential errors before completing the import. Double-check everything. It's always better to catch mistakes now rather than later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully import your Excel data into Zoho CRM, ready to streamline your lead management and supercharge your organization's efforts. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat the process until you're completely comfortable. If you have questions or need further assistance, review Zoho's support resources for additional guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy importing.